also offer a freebie, a free ebook that's already done for you, and it comes with PLR and MRR rights. All the girlies that I know are buying new houses. I need to catch up. I need to catch up. Hey. Hey y'all, so a couple of things before the video starts. I just want to let you know, if you were looking at the Simply Digital course, we are adding new modules, new lessons, new classes, a whole new bundle to the platform. If you are in the community by April 30th, you will receive access to this bundle for absolutely free. After that, it will be an additional charge. So yes, the price is going up, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have been sitting on the fence about whether or not you wanted to get started, or if you were looking at this product and you weren't really sure, go ahead and check out my description. I also added a new 30-minute free consultation to my beacons.ai site. If you have questions about which product would be best for you, or any other questions regarding any of my products, you can go ahead and book a 30-minute call. There is a refundable deposit that you would get back when we actually have our call. This is just to keep, you know, my time from getting wasted. People like to schedule and not show up, but it is fully refundable. However, after April 30th, this consultation will go up. Actually, it might go up before that, so just keep checking back with me. I have something that I want to do special for you guys. But again, all that information is going to be listed below in the description box, so go ahead and check it out, or reach out to me on Instagram, which is also linked down below. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crown Life Chronicles with your girl, Miss Mogul, and I got some more ranting to do. Yes, we are still in my car. I said I was about to record a whole bunch of videos, and I'm hoping to do this for as long as my little sticky tripod thingy sticks to my window, because yeah, we got to do it in the car right now because babe was making way too much noise in the space. Today's topic of video, I made a post in another group because y'all just be talking about the side of your mouths, and I don't understand. So we're going to talk about what is PLR, what is MRR, what is done for you products, and why you should be looking into it for a stream of passive income. Okay. PLR and MRR are different rights that come with done for you products. And a done for you product is a product that somebody else made. Them, they use their own time, they use their own resources to put this product together, and then they offered it for sale with either PLR or MRR rights. PLR rights are rights that allow you to take a product that somebody else made and do any editing that you need to do in order to make the product your own and be able to offer it back for sale to your customer. An MRR product is a product that is made and created by somebody else, and you are not allowed to rebrand it or edit it or anything of the sort. However, you are allowed to offer it back to your customer, and that customer is in turn is allowed to offer the product for sale. With a PLR product, only you can buy the product and resell it to your customer. Your customer cannot resell it. With an MRR product, your customer is allowed to buy it from you and resell it. The best of both worlds is when a product comes with both PLR and MRR rights, which allow you to do all the editing and rebranding that you need, as well as offer it to your customers and with the same exact rights to be able to do the exact same thing. Now, the courses that I offer are what is considered MRR, meaning the creator made them. They did all the editing and everything for you. You cannot rebrand it. The only thing that you can do as far as making it your own is on your website. Like I've done for one of my for one of my courses, I made my cover photo for the actual product and I changed the name on my site. But once you actually buy the product, then it takes you directly to the creator site where it has the appropriate name, etc., right? So that is one way to brand an MRR product as your product and be able to sell it. My other courses, however, I just put them up on my site as is, and I'm going to tell you what the difference is for the two in terms of marketing. So the one that I have branded as my product on just my page allows me to stay on brand, of course, within my brand, but also to create an air of secrecy around the product. So people don't know what the product is until they actually get it. Of course, if you ask me questions and everything, I tell you about the course. Some people figure out what it is, some people don't. It just makes it so that I am I'm the go-to for the product, I guess, for lack of better words. Advertising the other products, however, on my page, just as it is, by its real name, all that stuff. If people were to do a Google search, SEO is going to recognize this product, and I'm going to come up when somebody types this product in that they're searching for it. I'm going to come up as one of the sellers. So those are the two different ways that you can market a course. But now I digress. Back to back to this post or back to these things that I've been seeing and a post that I made. I want to know why you guys want to make things so complicated for you. So somebody made a comment in a group that I'm in, and she said that she wanted to see people that had made it from the bottom and were successful, but not from just reselling a course. Like, and essentially what I took that as, she wanted to see somebody that I guess took the course and then used it to create their own products, and then they were successful from that. And I definitely have seen people do exactly that. I have a girl that I'm trying to get on my channel in some way for an interview, but she actually made $100,000 in her first month from selling her own products. She utilized the information in the course, she applied the tactics to her current business, and she made $100,000 in her business. Like, when I say we were blown away when she did that, we were just like, wait, what? Because that was just astronomical results. Right now, again, that is not to be expected. She had a business already that she was using. However, she was not making like the type of sales in it that she wanted to make. And like I said, within 30 days of her applying the tactics that she learned in this course, she made her first $100,000. She bought a new house. Like, all the girlies that I know are buying new houses. I need to catch up. I need to catch up because I'm trying to get my hands on some land. But anyway, when she made that, I was just like, why do you want to work so hard? Why are you guys so adverse to selling done for you products? As somebody that has created their own planner, their own journal, their own ebook, the only thing I haven't actually done myself is create a course, because it takes so much time. It takes so much time between doing your editing, doing your research for the information that's going to go in. When you're creating a planner, like when I tell you how stressed I was creating the planners that are up on my site right now, like the people that actually create those templates that like Canva uses and stuff like that, it takes time. So when you think about it, fast food is a multi-trillion-dollar industry, right? Because people like convenience. They like not having to spend their time. They like knowing that if they are running late, that they can just go to Chick-fil-A, get their kids some food, feed them, and get them to bed on time, versus going home, taking food out, cooking it, doing all these things, right? People like convenience. The convenience industry is booming right now. So done for you products is a convenience industry. It is for the person that wants to get in, get started right now, don't have time or don't want to spend time making up a product and then hoping that it sells. Instead, they go find a product that other people are selling, so they know it makes money. Other people are buying it, and they rebrand it and they offer it to their customers, and they can literally start making money. As soon as it's listed, they can start making money. For you people that have this mindset in your head that you don't want to sell a course because the course just teaches you how to sell a course, think of it in that way. Somebody has already taken the time. Number one, let's just go to this. You guys don't understand how much the different software costs just to be able to create some of these products. With templates, people use Photoshop, Adobe, Canva, and none of those are the free versions. All right. So to list their course up, you have to pay for the hosting website. You have to buy your domain. You have to do your trademark. You have to do all these things. So when you say you don't want to sell a course that somebody else has already made, you want somebody that's going to teach you how to do it on your own. I want you to think about what that really comes with. What that really comes with. With a done for you product, you don't actually have to spend money on any of those things. And y'all, I just realized that it's raining and I'm outside in my slippers. I don't know how I'm gonna get up out this car because it is definitely lightning and thundering right now. This is starting to turn into like a bad idea. Y'all hear that? Anyway, I just wanted to really come on here and like kind of give you guys more insight on what PLR and MRR is. And then one of the other things that she said, well, not even one of the things that she said, but I made a comment that there are literally websites. If you were to just Google PLR products, MRR products, you will literally see websites where the only thing they do, you don't know who owns the website. They literally go out and they source all of these courses and all of these ebooks and all these templates that are created by other people, and they put them on their website to sell. Like, it's crazy. Their sites right now boasting that they have 11,000 done for you PLR MRR products. Do you really think they sat and created 11,000 products? No, they didn't. But what they did do was go out, find somebody else that had already done the work for them, and put it all in their site. So do you know how much money these sites are making? And FYI, I'm probably going to do the same thing because it makes sense, right? What it really is you guys are so caught up in wanting to own something that you're not seeing the value of just getting your hands on something that somebody else already did. If somebody came to you and said, hey, I have a restaurant, it already has customers, it's making X amount of dollars every single month, the building's already done, insurance is already done, yada yada yada, and I'm going to sell it to you for this price. I'm going to, the build, let's say the building is making $10 million a month. I'm going to sell it to you for $500, and it's a ready-made business. How many of you would jump on the opportunity to get a business that is already generating income because of the type of business that it is, and you're only paying this, and you don't have to go out and build the building, find the land, put all the products inside. You do, like, everything is already done for you. I want you to change your mindset, because over on the Stiletto Mogul, this is one of the things we talk about, is changing your mindset. And this is a mindset thing. This is one of those things where you guys are just so caught in the mentality of something not being able to be true that you're content with sitting around watching other people do the exact thing that you keep saying can't be true. And you're not embarking on the same journey to be able to make your own dreams come true. So I want you guys to take this video, really sit with it, really sit with yourself and ask yourself what the problem is. If you're interested in any of the courses, ebooks, planners, journals, whatever that I offer, or simply just have some more questions, you guys can go down in the description box. I have my courses linked in my store, my beacons.ai store. I also have my social medias linked so you guys can come into my DMs, ask me some questions. I also offer a freebie, a free ebook that's already done for you, and it comes with PLR and MRR rights, meaning you can use it as your very first digital product. You don't have to create it yourself. And it has a special offer to my faceless course in the back for $397. It is the only place that you'll be able to get my course for $397 for that particular one. And I'm actually thinking about adding in another, I don't know yet. But I do know that this freebie is not going to be up forever. It is not going to be a free product forever. So I suggest that you go ahead and get the product. Like, it's free. Y'all always talking about y'all want something free. It's free. Go get it. And again, if you're new here, thank you, boo, for watching. Go ahead and give me a subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, all that good stuff. And all my returning bulls, thank you. It was so nice of you to also come back. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me. Y'all see, we about to be monetized, right? And I will see you guys in the next video.